Welcome back to Denyo's Common Misconception series. Today, we are debunking a misconception that spare parts are just expenses when, in fact, they are vital assets that keep your operations running at full speed. This misconception exists as many believe that spare parts should only be replaced after failure, focusing on short-term savings. However, this short-term focus often leads to costly downtime and inefficiencies that far outweigh any initial savings. The truth is that spare parts are crucial in ensuring machines maintain peak performance. Over time, wear and tear are inevitable, and without timely replacements, this gradual deterioration can lead to a drop in productivity. Also, when parts fail, downtime not only halts your machines, but also leaves the entire team standing idle, causing delays. Imagine your generator failing during a critical project due to failing parts. The result is operational disruption and potential impacts on your project timelines and business commitments. Lastly, adhering to preventive maintenance ensures your equipment runs efficiently, making your operations more predictable and reliable. In conclusion, spare parts are essential for maintaining efficiency and preventing the costly downtime. So, don't view spare parts as mere expenses. Instead, recognize them as a long-term investment in maximizing uptime and ensuring operational excellence. At Denyo United Machinery, we serve as a regional center for spare parts and accessories for Denyo's full range of generators and equipment, providing consistent inventory availability and ease of purchase to ensure speedy replacement that gets you back on track in no time. Contact us through the link in the description box to connect with our parts consultant today. Thank you.